Hello, this is nice math problem 4 to the power x is equal 40 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start. Solution. The given equation is 4 to the power x is equal 40. Now we can write this 4 to the power x as 2 square whole power x is equal to 40. We know a to the power m whole power n is equal a to the power m times n. According to this property, we can write this 2 square whole power x as 2 to the power 2x is equal this 40. Now we will take log in both sides. So we can write log 2 to the power 2x is equal log 40. We know log m to the power n is equal n log m. According to this log property, we can write this log 2 to the power 2x as 2x log 2 is equal log 40. Now we will divide both sides by log 2 to eliminate this log 2. So you can write here 2x log 2 over log 2, here log 40 over log 2. Here this log 2 cancel out. We know another log property which is log a over log b is equal log a to the base b. According to this property, we can write this line as 2x is equal this log 40 over log 2 as log 40 to the base 2. Now we will divide both sides by 2. Here 2. Here this 2 cancel out. Now we can write this x is equal here log 40 to the base 2 over 2 as 1 over 2 log 40 to the base 2. This is our final answer. Now we will verify to check this value is correct or not. So let's verify. Our main equation is 4 to the power x is equal 40. We can write this 4 to the power x as 2 square whole power x is equal this 40. Here 2 to the power 2 whole power x, we can write this as 2 to the power 2x is equal 40. Now we will substitute the value of x in this equation. Here the value of x is 1 over 2 log 40 to the base 2. So you can write here 2 to the power 2 times the value of x is 1 over 2 log 40 to the base 2 is equal this 40. Here this 2 and this 2 cancel out. Here 2 to the power log 40 to the base 2 is equal this 40. We know another log property which is a to the power log b to the base a is equal b. According to this property, we can write this 2 to the power log 40 over 40 to the base 2 as 40 is equal right side this 40. Here left hand side is equal right hand side. So our value x is equal 1 over 2 log 40 to the base 2 satisfies this equation. So our value is x is equal to 1 over 2 log 40 to the base 2. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.